Welcome to the Link Emperor training video for adding targets manually. To add a target manually, we're going to go into our campaign here. We're going to go to this Targets tab right here. You'll find two buttons right here at the top, one being Add Targets, the other being Import. We're going to use this Add Targets button for now. We're going to go over the bulk import option in a future video. So let's click the Add Targets button. And I have an example site here over solar energy. It's a blog. And what I'm going to do is copy the URL. I'm going to paste it into this first field that says enter the target URL. It also says include the HTTP and also the www if applicable. I want you guys to copy and paste these in there. It leaves no room for error and it helps. So that's all for that field. Let's move on to the next. Step 2, it says here, what is the dollar value to this target? Now if you've watched the adding a campaign video, you know we set this campaign to have a base value of 0.05 or 5 cents. Now this field is optional. It says here leave blank to use the overall campaign value. If I didn't think this page was more valuable or less valuable than other targets I plan on putting into our campaign, I would just leave this blank. But since this is my home page of the blog, I feel like this is a more valuable page. Now eventually we'll be adding a lot of targets and the values will probably mostly be left blank, but as I mentioned, this is my home page and I'm going to set this one to 0.10 or 10 cents. Now essentially what this means, that any other target URLs or pages that I leave this blank on, those targets are going to be valued at the campaign's base value of 5 cents. So depending on a few other factors, this page will essentially get twice as many links built to it compared to the other targets. So the next step is step 3. If you know them, you can input keywords that you'd like your target to rank for, one per line, and I picked out a couple beforehand that I want for my site's main page here. Now once we get to the keyword section, I'll show you how to use Link Emperor as a ridiculously awesome keyword research tool, but I don't want to open that can of worms yet, so I'm just going to enter a few simple keyword terms. Step 4 is this checkbox right here. Should we add additional keywords by searching the internet for keywords that this target already ranks for? This is a good idea. It's selected by default. This will let you know what you've already ranked for. For higher plans, it's a no-brainer. If you're running short on keywords, you can uncheck it if you'd like to, but it is highly recommended. So quick recap, you have the target URL right here. You can select the target's value right here. You have the keywords, one per line, entered right here. And the checkbox right here. Once all that is done, click the Add Target button, and you'll see our target is listed right here. So let's go ahead and add one more target really quick. I'm going to grab another page here from our solar energy, and I'm going to go to an individual post. So I copied that URL and we're going to paste it in here. This is not a special page, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave this blank. It is going to be valued at 0.05. So over a period of time, my home page that you'll see listed here under my targets is going to get twice as many links as this one does. So I'm going to copy a quick keyword term, keyword phrase, and I'm going to leave this selected, and I'm going to add the target. So now we have a couple of targets listed here, and that about does it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.